Have you ever poured your heart out in prayer, only to feel like the heavens remain silent? You've begged, you've pleaded, and yet the answer you seek doesn't seem to come. In those moments, doubt may creep in. You might wonder, is Allah even listening? Have I done something wrong? But my dear brothers and sisters, remember this: Allah hears every single prayer. Not a single plea goes unnoticed. Sometimes the answer isn't immediate. Sometimes it isn't what we expect. But in every delay, in every unanswered request, there is divine wisdom, wisdom that is meant to protect you, elevate you, and bring you closer to Him. In this video, we will uncover 5 reasons why your prayers may seem unanswered and the deeper meaning behind them. By the end of this, you will see that every moment of waiting is not rejection, but a test, a lesson, and above all, a sign of Allah's mercy. If you resonate with this message, comment Allah Hu Akbar below to affirm your faith and help this message reach more hearts. Reason 1: Allah knows what's best for you. We often think we know exactly what we need, but our knowledge is limited. Imagine a child crying for a sharp knife, unaware that it could harm them. A loving parent would never give in to that request, not out of neglect, but out of protection. Similarly, Allah, in His infinite wisdom, withholds certain things because He knows they are not truly good for us. Perhaps you're praying for a specific job, a relationship, or a major life change, believing it will bring you happiness. But what if that very thing would lead you to pain, misguidance, or distance from Allah? What if saying yes to your prayer would actually harm you in ways you can't yet see? Allah tells us in the Quran, but perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you. And Allah knows while you know not. So when your prayer seems unanswered, trust that Allah is steering you away from harm. His no is not rejection, it is protection. Reason 2: the timing isn't right. Delayed blessings are often greater. Have you ever looked back and realized that something you once desperately wanted would not have been good for you at that time? Sometimes Allah delays answering your prayer because the best version of that blessing is still being prepared. Picture a student who wants to pass an exam without studying. The teacher knows that granting their request without preparation would do more harm than good. In the same way, Allah ensures you are truly ready before He grants you what you ask for. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Every matter has an appointed time, even when a person is eager for it." So if you feel like your prayer is taking too long to be answered, remind yourself, a delay is not a denial. Maybe Allah is waiting for you to be in the right place, with the right heart, at the right time. Until then, continue to trust in His perfect plan. Reason 3: Allah is protecting you from unseen harm. There are moments when we passionately pray for something, unaware that it could lead us toward destruction. Allah, in His mercy, sometimes says no, because He is shielding you from something you cannot see. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "If you knew what I know, you would laugh little and weep much." This hadith reminds us that Allah's knowledge encompasses what is hidden from us. Imagine praying for a particular relationship, unaware that it would have led to heartbreak, or asking for a job, not knowing it would have ruined your peace of mind. And sometimes the answer to our dua is being saved for the hereafter. Every hardship patiently endured, every sincere prayer whispered may be reserved as a reward in paradise where blessings are eternal. Allah promises, and whatever you spend in His cause, He will replace it, and He is the best of providers. Surah Sabah 34, 39. So if your dua is not answered in this life, know that something far better awaits you, either in this world or in the hereafter. Reason 4, Allah wants to strengthen your faith and trust. When life flows seamlessly, it's easy to drift into complacency, to take for granted the abundant blessings bestowed upon us. In moments of comfort and ease, the heart may grow distant from the one who supplies every breath we take. Allah often delays the fulfillment of our prayers, not out of neglect, but out of a profound desire for us to draw closer to Him, to seek Him with sincerity and fervor. Ask yourself, do I turn to Allah only in my moments of desperation? Or do I nurture my connection with Him in both the joyful and challenging seasons of life? This reflective question serves as a mirror, shedding light on the depth of our relationship with our Creator. The beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, shared a beautiful hadith that encapsulates this truth. Any Muslim who makes a supplication and does not ask for something sinful or for the severing of family ties, Allah will grant him one of three things. Either He will answer his supplication quickly, or He will store it up for him in the hereafter, or He will divert an equivalent evil away from him. Hadith Ahmad. This profound statement is a comforting reminder that every single dua is acknowledged and answered in the way that is best for us. Sometimes the answer comes swiftly, enveloping us in blessings we can see and embrace. Other times, our pleas are tucked away as treasures for the hereafter, awaiting us in a realm of eternal joy and peace. And in moments when it feels like our prayers go unanswered, Allah may be shielding us from a hardship we aren't even aware of, guiding our path with unseen hands. Thus, when you pour your heart into dua, shift your focus from merely seeking outcomes to pursuing a deeper connection with Allah Himself. This journey is not merely about petitioning for tangible results. It is about nurturing a relationship rooted in trust and faith. True belief is a commitment to the understanding that Allah is always guiding us, even when the road ahead appears unclear and fraught with uncertainty. Reason 5, have you prayed for guidance? In the complicated tapestry of life, the decisions we face often feel monumental, leaving us yearning for direction. One of the most powerful and transformative ways to seek clarity and wisdom in our decision making is through earnest prayer for guidance. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, imparted to us a special supplication, one that beautifully encapsulates our innate desire for divine direction. O Allah, if this matter is good for me in my religion, my livelihood and my hereafter, then decree it for me, make it easy for me, and bless me in it. But if it is bad for me, then turn it away from me and turn me away from it. And grant me contentment with your decree. This dua is a beacon of hope, a reminder to our hearts to relinquish control and place our trust in Allah's ultimate wisdom. As we vocalize our plea for guidance, we initiate a conversation with the Creator, inviting Him into our lives in a personal and profound way. It is an acknowledgement that while we may have our desires and aspirations, we are at the core navigating this world with limited vision, while He encompasses the knowledge of all that is good and beneficial for us. If you encounter a closed door after sincerely seeking guidance, hold on to the understanding that it was never meant for you. Allah, in His infinite wisdom, has gently shielded you from a path that could lead to hardship or detachment from Him. Trust in these divine interventions, for they are manifestations of His care and love. Moreover, when uncertainty clouds your mind and heart, don't hesitate to reach out to Allah, asking Him to clarify His plan. Let the heaviness of doubt melt away in the warmth of His presence. Embrace the idea that seeking guidance is not a sign of weakness. Rather, it is an affirmation of your faith and reliance on the One who knows all. In every prayer, in every moment of reflection, allow your heart to open to His will, cultivating a spirit of contentment with His divine decree. This journey of seeking guidance is transformative, a pathway that not only illuminates our decisions, but also deepens our understanding of His love and purpose in our lives. In the grand tapestry of existence, it is vital to remember this profound truth. No prayer goes unheard, and no supplication is ever wasted. Every word you utter in your moment of need, every tear shed in heartfelt longing, is received with compassion and care by Allah. He embodies the essence of listening, embracing our thoughts before they even take form in our minds. It is a comforting and exhilarating reality that, despite the vastness of the universe, He pays attention to the whispers of our souls. When we pour our hearts out in dua, Allah may respond in a variety of ways, each one intricately tailored to our unique circumstances and needs. Sometimes He grants our requests swiftly, showering us with blessings that align perfectly with our desires and aspirations. In these moments, we experience clarity and affirmation, feeling His immense love enveloping us like a warm embrace. However, there are times when His response is not immediate. Instead, He may delay the answer, inviting us to grow in patience and resilience. This period of waiting, while challenging, is often where our faith is refined and strengthened, preparing us for the profound gifts that are to come. Moreover, it is essential to remain open to the possibility that Allah may fulfill our requests with something even more remarkable than we could envision. He understands our needs more than we do ourselves, crafting responses that may differ from our expectations, yet perfectly fit the divine plan. Whether these blessings manifest in this life or are preserved for us in the hereafter, the essence remains the same. Each reply is a testament to Allah's boundless mercy and love, far surpassing our limited understanding of what we truly require. In every outcome, remember this crucial perspective. Allah's love for you is greater than any understanding you could ever reach. He does not withhold blessings out of neglect. Rather, His decisions stem from a place of profound mercy and wisdom. Embrace this truth with open arms, for even when life seems daunting or the answers appear elusive, His presence is always with you, guiding your journey with loving hands. If this message resonates with your heart, let it be a reminder of the strength we find in our faith. Comment Allah Hu Akbar below not just as an affirmation of your trust in His infinite wisdom, but also as a collective declaration of our commitment to each other in this journey. Let's uplift one another with the knowledge that His plan is always perfect, weaving our stories with purpose and grace. Together, through our shared experiences and insights, we can inspire one another to trust in Allah's magnificent timeline and the beautiful blessings that await us.